Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Hotwheels 50 concept, and again I bought this because I do like this rat rod kind of vehicles a little bit. So I bought this one. On top of that this livery, this just reminds me of the childhood days. So I just bought it. Okay, so a lot of people are asking me about the price point again and again, even though I mentioned that over the video. I don't know if they're watching with the audio on or if they're just going with the subtitles. So let me tell you something, guys. Whatever brand I am buying, it doesn't matter which brand it is. If it is in India, if it has a MRP tag, I don't buy it over more than MRP. Simply, I can say that. So if you are seeing something in the recent past 2 years videos, whatever I bought in Hot Wheels or in Tamika or even in other brands, whatever is the MRP quoted, I bought for MRP only. So in this case, that is 179. So if you guys are still puzzled about that, you can drop it in the comments or you can DM me. So I don't buy, especially I don't buy Hot Wheels more than MRP. It's waste of money, according to me at least. So I don't know about you guys. Maybe if you are really crazy about Hot Wheels, that's up to you. But I'm not. So I don't buy it for more than MRP, even if it is a sought after car or it's a STH, RLC, Elite, whatever it is. I don't want to spend more than dime, more than MRP on this kind of this particular brand, to be honest. Okay, so with that said, let me just unbox this and see how this one looks. Okay. So the card is a little bit dusty because it's raining so much here. It's raining so much here and it is getting dusty all over wherever I'm keeping it inside the home. Okay. So here it is. So see, out of the box, the casting looks absolutely gorgeous. You can see the glittery purple. So honestly, I'm glad actually. I went with this one. So originally I wanted to avoid this, but the moment I saw this particular livery here, this looked kind of wacky, and the color is also purple. Green with purple. This combination looked really nice. So I thought, okay, let's buy and see how this one actually looks. So out of the box, this looks really beautiful, and the livery actually this is really nice. I mean, they usually Mattel does really shitty livery. When it comes to main lines, you can see some kind of a paint chipping, or there are some kind of dots here and there, misprint, lot of things. And some people are calling the misprint as error, and they're asking for value. Honestly, man, get a life. So okay, so the interior is really nice, and it is a bit heavy. So you can see the exposed engine detailing here, and the headlights are actually engraved here, but it's embossed, sorry, and but it's not painted on, and it doesn't have any tail lights, but it does have exhaust details here. That is really cool. They actually thought about a lot of details here. I wait. So the exhaust is here. Then what is this one? Are these tail lights? Yeah, these are tail lights. Sorry. So these are tail lights, and this is the exhaust here. It doesn't have any chassis detailing, but that's fine anyway. It's a fantasy casting. So, but the interior looks really nice. The color, the paint job on this one is absolutely beautiful, and they went with the green tinted window here that matches with this monsters appearance here. The color on the body of the monster, it matches with that one, so that actually flows along really well. And okay, so the body is fully metal. So the exposed engine here, that is plastic, interior is plastic, chassis is plastic, the rear part with the tail lights here, that is plastic, the wheels are also plastic. I really love the that they went with this trim here, green trim here for the wheels. Again, that matches with this overall color scheme here. That is really beautiful. Okay, let's weigh this car real quick. Okay, 31 grams. It's okay, it's not too bad for a fantasy casting, but let's do a roll test. Okay, I forgot to set the height. Okay, here it goes. Okay, let me see. I totally forgot what's the height I had before. Okay, okay, but it rolls really well. It is a bit slow, I mean, not fast or anything. It does have wheel wobble on the rear wheel, and front wheel also wobbles a lot, but still it rolls really well. I mean, if you are preferring this on track, that is going to roll really good. Maybe yours doesn't roll. I mean, your yours might not have the wheel roll as much as I'm having, but it does roll really well on track. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.